Nacho, 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 nacho,
Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richard Razor Sharp, and I've got another video for you. You may have seen my previous video on how to use the Andis guard system. Well, today I'm going to cover off how to use the Wahl guard system. So it's really simple, really straightforward. As I said before in my previous video, I'm not going to use any technical jargon. I'm just going to give you a very simple breakdown. If you want to try and do a fade, whether it be on yourself or fade someone else's hair, then I'm going to show you how the Andis guard system works. So hope you find it useful. Please click that subscribe button, like the content and share it with other people, and let's get into it, guys. Okay, peace. Okay guys, so in this video, as I say, I'm going to break down how the Wahl guard system works. Now, this video is not going to teach you how to fade. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that you can go to see that and understand the technique of fading, but it will show you just how the guard system works. So if you've seen my other video on Andis guard system, you'll know that the Andis setup is different to the Wahl setup. So let's firstly deal with the clipper. When you do not have any guard on, that's when you're cutting at the lowest length. So I've got a fade blade on my Wahl Senior. But basically, when you have the bail arm closed on a Wahl clipper, that is the length 0, okay? It's 0. Now, if you open up the bail arm fully, that length is 0.5. Now that differs from Andis, because in the Andis guard system, when you have the bail arm open, it's length 1, whereas when it's closed, it's length 0. So Andis has a wider range. Without any guard on, it goes from a 0 all the way to a 1. But with Wahl, it goes from 0 and it opens up to 0.5. Okay? So now when it comes to the guard system, if you were fading, you would start with your lowest level, which would be 0. You would then open up the bail arm to 0.5. You would then take your 0 guard. You can't see it very well because these have been very well used, so you can't see the numbering on it properly, but it's a 0.5 guard, and you would attach that on and you would close the bail arm, and that's your next cutting length. Then after that, to increase the length, you would open it up, and when it's open, that is now 0.5. Okay, sorry, 0.75, apologies. That is 0.75. So with it closed, 0.5 guard. With it open, it's 0.75. The next level is the number 1 guard. So you take your number 1 guard, snap it on, close the bail arm, and that is level 1. Then when you open it up, that is what we refer to as a true 1.5. Now you'll understand why it's referred to as a true 1.5 in a moment. So to go to the next level after 1.5, you actually don't take the number 2 guard, but you take what we call a false or a fake 1.5 guard, okay? And you snap that guard on and you close it. And that length is what we call a fake 1.5. So the number 1 guard with the bail arm open is what we would call a true 1.5. And then the next level up from that is this fake 1.5 guard with the bail arm closed. That's the next level. And then you open up the bail arm and that becomes 1.75. And then after that, you get your number 2 guard, snap that on, close the bail arm, that's number 2. And then when you open it, that's 2.5. Then number 3 guard, snap it on, close the bail arm, that's level number 3. And then if you open up the bail arm, it's 3.5. And that remains the same throughout the rest of the guards. So in Wahl, you have 8 guards that usually come in the box. And then you've got the 1.5 and the 0.5 guard as well, which you can get additionally separately, or if you buy the premium wall guards, which I have here, they come in the pack. So in total that would be 10 guards that you'd have. But that's how the wall guard system works. I hope that makes sense, and I hope I've made it simple enough for you all to understand. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, like the content, and share it with other people. And until next time, I'll speak to you all soon. Peace.